Okay, there we go.
Okay. This is how you draw a little curve. Then you draw the beak. There. And then you go like, you go there. This is how you draw a boy peacock. Then
that thing doesn't have the that you can hang it out on the tripod, you know.
Oh, yeah.
That would be cool.
there. Then you draw your eyebrow to make it look like a boy. Then you go like this. And then you put this. You put 3. And then you go like this. Oops. I forgot. Then you go like, Papa, can you get me one of my peacock drawings?
What is that?
In the drawer. So, we'll have to play. We'll play the rock, paper, scissors.
I don't
Rock,
see it.
paper.
Oh, here. There you go.
Oh, okay. Okay. Now. There. And then you go like this. Then like this. And then you go like this. This. You go 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There. And now we go like this. We draw a little tiny circle or over. Okay. And now we go like this. There. And now you go like this. Then you go like this. Then you do the front drawing. There. See? You draw lines. And now all you need to do is draw the long feet. Now there's different ways of doing it. There's a way to do a pointy or like this. There. But now we'll draw the shark claws. And now draw there. Oof. Gotta erase. Oops. There.
Okay, you have like a couple more seconds before this actually
Well,
starts.
your puppy gets tired.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
5 minutes. Okay, good job, guys.
It looks just
This is
like
yours.
this.
Now smile. Yay! Okay.
And can we put it on site?
What?
Can we put it on site?
Put on what side?
A drawing site on YouTube?